Why do people choose polished concrete? Dear friends, not just beautiful and versatile, there are a myriad of reasons why polished concrete is a great choice for any house or retail space. Low maintenance. Concrete seldom needs to be replaced. With proper care and maintenance, most polished concrete floors will last for years to come. Caring for concrete floors is easy too. Regular sweeping and mopping using a mild household detergent is more than sufficient. If you do feel like your flooring needs a refresh, you can easily have your concrete resurfaced, rather than having to replace the entire floor. Improved safety. By installing polished concrete flooring in your retail spaces, you are making your space safer for employees and customers. Hypoallergenic and dust-resistant. It eliminates allergens present in your space. Easy to clean. Polished concrete is non-absorbent and stain-resistant. It is also incredibly easy to clean. So it is more than suitable for hospitality spaces, such as bars and restaurants, especially when there is a need to create a hygienic and sterile environment for sanitary food preparation. Eco-friendly. As the world leans towards more environmentally conscious practices, installing polished concrete flooring in retail spaces ticks a lot of boxes. The installation process generates minimal waste and does not require the use of any harsh chemicals. Once installed, it will help to reduce your overall electricity usage due to its high light reflectivity and thermal mass properties. It also means an overall reduction in lighting, heating, and cooling costs. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Laud's channel, How to Make My House.